Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here. I am coming to give y'all a review, and this is a Bodycology review, and this is on their fragrance, on a spray and body cream, and this is the Island Beach Paradise, and this is the body cream and fragrantness. This is the thing, and I wanted to review this. So I've been using the spray a lot lately and stuff, and I've been using this. And so this is a spray. I use this particular product after I take a shower and thing. Now, I used to buy these a lot, and you can find these on Walmart.com and in Walmart. Well, I purchased mine in Walmart, and I think they was about $3.95. If I'm going to check online to be sure, but yeah. And thing, I love the fragrance. So the scent, it's like a fragrant mist, and it has coconut, sea breeze, and tropical fruit. And I like this, and this is paraben and provides it's paraben free and stuff. So if you see that, let me try to get this to focus right there above my finger. You'll see it says has that free. It's a cruelty free brand, and I've been using this type of products like this for years. And with the fragrance, I love the smell and thing. I just love the detailing. I love that they have a type of what they use, and then they does have the ingredients on the bottle and stuff. And I actually love this. This is if I can rate rank this particular product, because I use the spray more than I do the lotion. I'll give this actually 10 out of 10 because I like them both and thing. And if you so same thing with the this is the spray. So with the body cream, supposed to moisturize and enrich butter complex, and it's supposed to rejuvenate your skin. It's supposed to smooth over skin, give a special care to dry or roughness areas, to enjoy long-lasting hydrating formula with a rich complex contact shea and coconut and java butters. This luxury cream lavish skin and feels soft for hours. So yes, I do like this. Like I'm saying, I'll give, even though I have used this lesser than this, I still give both of them 10 out of 10 because of the fragrance smell. It like Body Nautic. It's been years since I used it, like I'm saying, but this is a pretty good product. So if you like this review and others, please comment below and tell me what other Body Nautic products you would love to see me review. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.